Nexastack. From models to agentic action, transforming manufacturing into agentic operations from shop floor to supply chain, enabling smarter, autonomous operations. The challenge manufacturers face: siloed systems and disconnected data, rising operational costs, inefficient supply chain visibility, pressure for sustainability and compliance. The Nexastack Edge, a context-first agent infrastructure that connects machines, processes, and people, unlocks real-time intelligence, automates repetitive workflows, strengthens decision-making with AI. Core capabilities. Nexastack empowers manufacturing with digital twins, real-time factory simulations, predictive analytics, preventive maintenance and demand forecasting, autonomous operations, AI-driven workflows, and process optimization, secure cloud-native infrastructure, scalable and compliant. Business impact: 15 to 20% reduction in downtime, smarter supply chain adaptability, energy and cost efficiency, improved workforce productivity and quality. Nexastack for manufacturing with AI agents transform operations with intelligence that scales.